Hi everyone. In the last lecture series, we have discussed about what do you mean by cryptography and what are all the types of cryptography. In the previous lecture video, we have discussed about the types of the cryptography. So we are having one is symmetric, another one is asymmetric. The next one we are going to discuss about the techniques. So what are all the techniques in this cryptography? The first technique we are going to see about the substitution techniques. So substitution techniques, it is nothing but the letter of the plain text we are going to replace by the other letter or by numbers or symbols. We are having various types of substitution techniques. What the first one is Caesar cipher, monoalphabetic cipher, Playfair cipher, Hill cipher, and the last one is polyalphabetic cipher. The first one we are using the Caesar cipher. So just we are going to replace the letter with the three place. For example, if the plain text where they have given us meet me after the meet me after the to go party. Suppose this is the plain text. So here, what is the formula we have used is C is equal to encryption of 3 comma plain text is equal to P plus 3 mod 26. Just we are replacing with the three letters. So here we are going to replace the letter A into D. So next B into E, C into F, D into G. Likewise, it shift by 3. So that is termed to be as your cipher. Just we are standing 3 place further down the alphabet. Here we are having some of the values that has been assigned for the Caesar cipher. Just we are replacing by the 3. So we are using both the encryption and the decryption algorithm. We are having 25 keys and the same time the language or is the plain text. At the same time the text file will be compressed with zip. The next one is the monoalphabetic. So already we know that monoalphabetic cipher. Just we are going to replace any alphabetics. So here we are having 25 keys possible. At the same time, it will be secured. So here the magnitude should be greater. So we can either replace with the another alphabet. So monoalphabetic cipher. So these are all the comparisons of your various substitution techniques. So here we can use any value. For example, we can take say many cipher models 16, 17, 35, 21. So randomly we can choose any one of the alphabet and replace the alphabet with the numbers. The next one is the Playfair. So here the Playfair algorithm, it is based on the keyword monarchy. So we have to write the letter MONA or CHY. So below that, we have to write the alphabet. So what are all the letters that has not been present in the monarchy that will be displayed here. For example, if A is displayed there, the next alphabet is B. So B is not displayed here. That is what I have written B here. The same thing the next one we have to search for C is already present. So the next one D is not present in the word monarchy, so we have to write D in the next. Likewise, we have to fill all the values. So here we have to follow some of the protocols. So here repeating plain text, and at the same time if there are two plain text in the same row of the matrix, it will be replaced. So this is the graph that has been involved in this Playfair cipher. The next one is the Hill cipher. So it was one of the mathematician Lister. He developed this cipher Hill cipher. So how we are going to develop this Hill cipher means with the help of the substitution cipher text, that is C1, C2, C3. So here we are using the formula K11, P1. So already we know that the matrix that has been involved. So we are taking the in the matrix form. For example, just we are giving some number. That number should be multiplied or with the values. So for example, if we take any of the alphabets, that should be declared, that should be compared with the alphabets and we have to assign that values. For example, if we want to denote the square matrix, it will be K11, K12, K21 and K22. So apart from that, we are having one of the alphabet which is nothing but the polyalphabet cipher. So here it will determine the column and the plain text. So that is known as the auto key system. Just meet me. So just it has to convert into plain text. We can again convert into the cipher text. So just we are using some of the column with the plain text. So these are all the columns for A, B, C, D, E. Again, we have to replace this by B, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F. This is the column text, and for that we have to write. So that what is the formula that has been used? This Ci is equal to Pi plus Ki. Thank you.